South Tampa residents have been complaining about a mysterious sound every night.
At first, they thought it was partying from a nearby barge.
But turns out that was not the source.
Each night, the sound gets louder and
You
louder.
hear that? What exactly is it you think you're hearing? What do you mean? Oh, I didn't even notice. It's the fish. They're f***ing. There's no way that's fish. It's like bass. Drumfish. It means they're horny. Oh my god. Is it like this every night? Well, it's humping season. How long does humping season last for? Well, it will get stronger and stronger until about Valentine's Day, and then it will start to taper off. Wait, are you trying to tell me that the fish here celebrate Valentine's Day? Bro, this is Florida. The drumfish are the least weird thing we have going on here. You'll get used to it. I don't know that I will.